Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how you can transfer photos from iPhone to PC or laptop. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So transferring or sharing photos from an iPhone to PC or laptop is very easy and simple. First up, you need this one, a specific app from App Store right over here. You just gotta go to App Store and you just gotta simply find this app right over here, which is called Google Drive. And here we go. You just need to download this app right over here. And once you have this app, what you need to do is just simply go ahead and find the photo that you want to put in. So for me, it's going to be this photo right over here. So transferring it very simple. What you can do is just go to Google Drive like this. And right over here, what you have to do is just simply press on the plus on the corner. And right over here, you'll see a few options, but you just got to go ahead and press on upload file. And right here, you'll see the option of photos and videos. Go ahead and press on photos picture like this. And here, as you can see, it says image. So just go ahead and press on upload. So the picture is uploading. So we'll just wait once the picture uploads and I'll be back on the PC. Okay, so once the video has been uploaded from your phone, what you have to do is just simply sign in into the same account that you've used for phone, and you just gotta sign in and open a Google Drive on your PC just like that and sign in into the same account. So yeah, once you go right here, you'll be able to see the image that I just uploaded. So you just gotta press on this little download icon right over here and you'll be able to see the image. So if I press open, here we go. Now we just need an extension for this image. Obviously I don't have the extension, but I'm just gonna open it up with something else. So open it up with so if we open it up from right over here, as you can see, the picture is here and you just need to download it, and you need to have, yeah, here you go. Now you can just simply press on the download icon and have a picture transferred to your PC or laptop. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.